Top 8 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1. Ford Ranchero. 1965 year of issue. 1965 Ford Ranchero. 3 on the tree. It runs and I still drive it on occasion. Has a new radiator and clutch. The headliner is falling down, abs will need to be replaced. The interior is in great shape. The seat has no rips or tears. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 2. Chevrolet C20. 1977 year of issue. (1977) Chevrolet C22 WD pickup truck. Numbers matching 454 V8 engine turbo 400 auto transmission. (12,000 miles showing I assume 112,000). Runs and drives, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Drive as is or restore to new condition, cracked windshield. Number 3. Buick Special. 1977 year of issue. This is a good solid previous TX car. The engine is a 231 V6 with automatic transmission. It has one older repaint, good original interior. It comes with new tires and stock steel wheels with dog dish hubcaps. Also includes power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. It runs and drives. Air conditioning, power brakes, power steering. Number 4. Chevrolet Bel Air. (1950 year of issue). (1950 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door coupe, $7,500). Project modern front end from Speedway rack and pinion steering, front disc brakes. Body work has been done. Suggest updated. LS engine, install all glasses there. Racks of parts for car. Number 5. Dodge Business Coupe. 1947 year of issue. 47 Dodge 3-window coupe. D24, titled. (350/350th auto). Chevy subframe, 57 Chevy rear end. Starts and runs excellent. Brakes are working. Dual exhaust, temporary gas tank in the trunk, in primer. Drive as is or finish it up. Very nice start on an excellent project car. $7,500. Number 6. Chevrolet Corvair, 1962 year of issue. This is truly an American classic. The manual 4-speed transmission has been rebuilt and many other new parts. The engine has new exhaust system. Is a flat 6 and runs very good. Has bucket seats and the interior is blue. It has a small 4-inch tear in driver's seat. Everything works. A classics this old does have a few rust spots, but minimum. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz 300D 1980 year of issue. 1980 Mercedes 300D automatic. Five-cylinder diesel engine. It runs and drives perfect. It has 95,549 original miles. Very clean tan and color interior. It has clean title and it is currently registered under my name. It does have a little bit of cancer, as you can see in the pictures. Number 8. Fiat 124. 1976 year of issue. 1976 Fiat 124 Spider cleaned fuel system. From tank to new hoses to rebuilt carb. Some interior work done. Coolant system worked on cleaned radiator, new hoses, and thermostat runs and drives. But carb needs tuning engine. .4 liter transmission, manual.